Friedrich Merz has become the Chancellor of which country? Correct answer is option B, Germany. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Liu Jiakun of China. Who has won the men's title of 2025 Asian Snooker Championship? Correct answer is option B, Pankaj Advani. Who has been recently appointed as the second Principal Secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Right answer is option A, Shaktikanta Das. Who has become the fastest cricketer to score 14,000 runs in one-day international? Correct answer is option B, Virat Kohli. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Who has become the first woman president of International Olympic Committee, IOC? Correct answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Who is the author of the book, Heart Lamp, which has been included in the list of International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option A, Banu Mushtaq. Where was the first international conference on carbon market held recently? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Jhumwa Binandini is a traditional dance performed in which state? Correct answer is option D, Assam. Who has been appointed as the director of FBI? Correct answer is option C, Kash Patel. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. Where has the exercise, Sagar Kavach, been conducted by the Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Anora. Where was the Global Investors Summit 2025 held recently? Correct answer is option A, Bhopal. Which team recently won the Ranji Trophy title by defeating Kerala? Correct answer is option B, Vidarbha. Which country has recently introduced Blue Visa? Correct answer is option B, UAE. Which country has become the world's third largest biofuel producer? Right answer is option B, India. Who was recently awarded the prestigious Icon of Excellence Award at the Forbes India Leadership Award? Correct answer is option C, Jai Shah. Who has recently been appointed as the Controller General of Defence Accounts? Correct answer is option A, Mayank Sharma. Where was exercise, Desert Hunt, 2025 recently organized? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Where was the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 being held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Achanta Sharath Kamal is related to which sport who has recently announced his retirement? Correct answer is option A, table tennis. Who has become the chairman of the Bar Council of India? Correct answer is option B, Manan Kumar Mishra. Which of the following has recently got the status of Navratna? Correct answer is option C, both IRCTC and IRFC. World Wildlife Day 2025 was celebrated on? Correct answer is option C, 3rd March. Who won the Best Director Award for his film Menorah at the 2025 Academy Awards? Correct answer is option B, Sean Baker. Who tops the list of world's richest women as per Women Billionaires Global List 2025? Correct answer is option A, Alice Walton. Who was sworn in as the Federal Chancellor of Austria in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Christian Stocker. Who won the Best Actor award at the Oscars for his role in The Brutalist? Correct answer is option A, Adrian Brody. Which ministry has launched the Swavalambini initiative? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. What is the theme of the Festival of Letters 2025 being organized at New Delhi? Correct answer is option A, Indian Literary Traditions. Which country officially declared English as its national language? Correct answer is option B, United States. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of RBI? Correct answer is option C, Ajit Ratnakar Joshi. Where has the world's largest wildlife rescue center Vantara been inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. What will be real GDP growth of India in financial year 2025-26 as per a report by CRISIL? Correct answer is option C, 6.5%. Recently, which country won the Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship 2025 title? Correct answer is option C, India. Recently, who became the first ever woman union law secretary? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Mark Carney has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Who won the FIDE World Junior Chess Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Panav Venkatesh. Recently, Yamandu Ossi became new president of which South American country? Correct answer is option B, Uruguay. Where is the naval exercise Sea Dragon 2025 held recently? Correct answer is option C, USA. Which state has the highest number of river dolphins in India? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Which country ranked first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Burkina Faso. Who has become the first ever brand ambassador of Federal Bank? Correct answer is option C, Vidya Balan. Who became first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option C, Jai Shri Venkatesan. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Tata Communications in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, N. Ganpati Subramaniam. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai Indians. Who was awarded the AM Turing Award 2024 for technical contribution in the field of computing? Correct answer is option D, both B and C. Who has been awarded the Digital Transformation Award 2025? Correct answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Kamya Bhati National Park of which Indian state has been included in the UNESCO's tentative heritage list? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI? Correct answer is option B, Devajit Sekhya. Who won the Best Men's Hockey Player of the Year award at the Hockey India Annual Awards 2024? Correct answer is option A, Harmanpreet Singh. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 118th rank. Who has won the both Men's and Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Who has been awarded the Holberg Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. The Indian Astronomical Union, IAU, has officially recognized how many new satellites of Saturn? Correct answer is option B, 128. Who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for Peace and Stability? Correct answer is option A, Dalai Lama. Which of the following cities will host the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Correct answer is option A, Tokyo, Japan. Which team has recently won the 15th Hockey India Senior Women National Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Jharkhand. India is set to launch world's most powerful hydrogen-powered train on which route? Correct answer is option B, Jind to Sonipat. Which country has emerged as the world's largest importer of arms according to the latest SIPRI report 2020-24? Correct answer is option C, Ukraine. Which country hosted the Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option D, England. Which country will host the FIDE World Chess Cup Championship 2025? Right answer is option D, India. Which country has become the second largest road network in the world? Right answer is option C, India. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago? Correct answer is option B, Stuart Young. Who topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Haryana. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman 2024 in 2025? Right answer is option C, Bhadresh Das Swami. Which Indian state has imposed a fee of ₹50 per person on tourists visiting the state? Right answer is option C, Sikkim. Astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore have returned to Earth from the International Space Station after how many days? Right answer is option D, 286 days. Which state has recently changed the rupee symbol from the budget to Tamil language? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Netumbo Nandi Andetwa has been sworn in as the first female president of which country? Right answer is option C, Namibia. Which country has recently announced to join NDB, National Development Bank? Right answer is option B, Indonesia. The International Olympic Committee has included which sport in the 2028 Olympic Games? Right answer is option C, cricket. Who has been awarded the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025? Right answer is option B, R.K. Sriram Kumar. Who has been elected as the 11th President of Asian Development Bank, ADB? Right answer is option A, Masato Kanda. Who received the Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism 2025 in Hindi category? Right answer is option D, Mridulika Jha. The world's largest white hydrogen reservoir has been found in which country? Right answer is option A, France. The joint military exercise Khanjar was conducted between India with which country? Right answer is option B, Kyrgyzstan. How much has the salary of MPs increased from 1 lakh? Correct answer is option B, 1.24 lakhs per month. Who has launched the Gemma 3 AI model? Correct answer is option B, Google. Who won Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for his pioneering research on flood risks? Correct answer is option B, Gunter Blosch. Who has been awarded the Goalkeeper of the Year award at the Hockey India Awards 2024? Correct answer is option A, Savita Punia. Attukal Pongal festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option D, Kerala. The Gomera dance festival is related to which state? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Which country has recently become world's second largest tea exporter? Correct answer is option C, India. Which country has recently banned Facebook? Correct answer is option D, Papua New Guinea. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of the Industrial Finance Corporation of India? Correct answer is option C, Rahul Bhave. Justice Harish Tandon has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of which state's High Court? Correct answer is option B, Orissa High Court. Who has become the first footballer to receive the American Presidential Medal of Freedom? Correct answer is option A, Lionel Messi. Which operation is launched by India after a powerful earthquake struck the neighboring country? Correct answer is option C, Operation Brahma. How many tiger reserves are there in India as of March 2025? Correct answer is option C, 58. According to the Henley Passport Index 2025, which country has the most powerful passport? Correct answer is option C, Singapore. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 4th rank. Who won the Best Picture award at the International Indian Film Academy 2025? Right answer is option C, Lapata Ladies. Who has been recently appointed as the full member of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option B, Rajiv Gauba. Who has become the chairman of Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, INTAC? Correct answer is option B, Ashok Singh Thakur. Where will North India's first nuclear power project be set up? Share your answer in the comment section below.